This video is number 3 in the series titled The Secrets of Life. The videos in the Secrets of Life series will present various subjects that are meant to help the viewer see the world as it really is. Some of the videos in this series will contain a thorough explanation of the subject of the video. Other videos in this series will contain only a partial explanation or no explanation at all. There are a few reasons for providing a video with only a partial explanation or no explanation at all. A video with only a partial explanation or no explanation at all will stimulate the thinking of the viewer as they try to understand the video on their own. A video with only a partial explanation or no explanation at all may also coerce the viewer into contact with information they may not have come in contact with without the stimulus of the unexplained video. An unexplained video can also have the ability to push the viewer into an altered state of consciousness as their brain struggles to make sense of what is shown in the video. When the human brain is in an altered state of consciousness, it can gain the ability to more quickly understand things that seem mysterious. With that introduction, the subject of the third video in the series titled The Secrets of Life can begin. This video is a continuation of the first two videos of this series. The subject of the first video in this series was the African dance being shown in this video clip. The model human being in this picture was then posed in the same way as the African dance posture. Here is the side view of the model human being in the African dance pose. A transparent sphere was placed on the legs as shown in this picture. The front part of the sphere is completely within the boundaries of the straight legs. The front part of the sphere superimposed on the legs looks like an unbroken flowing curve running from the hips down to the feet. The second video in the series then justified placing a duplicate human body in the African dance posture directly behind and facing the opposite direction of the original human body in the African dance posture as shown in this picture. The two model human bodies were then shown repeatedly lowering themselves into the African dance posture, then standing back up, as shown in this animation. Next, a video clip of a bellows was shown. A bellows is a device that pumps air onto a fire in order to make it hotter. Please watch the following video clip of a working bellows that was shown in the second video of this series.
ඉන්නකොට එනවා අපිත් එක්ක ඈ පරණ ඥාතිද
The observation was made that the moving together, then spreading apart motion of the sides of the bellows was similar to the moving together then spreading apart motion of the legs of the two model human bodies, repeatedly lowering themselves into the African dance posture, then standing back up. Because of that similarity, the second video ended with the following questions. If the legs of the two model human bodies looked like the sides of a bellows pumping air, what could the legs of the two model human bodies be pumping, and where could they be pumping it to? For the purposes of this video, and without any explanation or justification, it will be claimed that the legs of the two human bodies are pumping energy. The focus of this video is the answer to the question, where could the legs be pumping the energy to? Please watch the animation of the two model human bodies repeatedly lowering themselves into the African dance posture, then standing back up. Because the legs of the two model human bodies are being compared to a pump, it would be useful to know what a working pump looks like. Please watch the following video of a hand-operated water pump. To make the water pump work, the man stands on the bottom of the pump to hold it steady. He then pulls up the handle to pull water into the body of the pump. When the man pushes down on the handle, water is forced out of the outlet of the pump in a long stream. This video is comparing the legs of the two model human bodies to a pump. The handle of the example water pump travels up and down to move water through the pump. The legs of the two human bodies, repeatedly lowering into the African dance posture, then standing back up, move from side to side. To compare the legs of the two model human bodies to the water pump, the legs of the two model human bodies and the handle of the water pump need to be moving in the same direction. This picture shows the water pump rotated so that the handle points off to the side. The action of the pump handle is now side to side, like the movements of the legs of the two human bodies are from side to side. The possible answer to the question, where could the legs be pumping energy to, can now be shown. Here is the picture of the hand-operated water pump turned sideways. A partially transparent picture of the two model human bodies is then superimposed over the picture of the water pump. The water pump can be seen behind the two partially transparent human models. Please watch the following video clip of the two model human bodies repeatedly lowering into the African dance posture, then standing back up, and the sideways turned water pump being operated by the man. The water exiting the water pump traveled straight upwards. The stream of water appeared to enter the lower body, travel up through the body, then exit the top of the body like a fountain. According to this video, one possible answer to the question, where could the legs be pumping energy to, is up into the human body. The legs pump energy up through the body when they are repeatedly lowered and raised, in the same way the handle of the water pump pumps water up into the air in the example video clip.